Welcome everybody. Let's get moving right away. 10-minute energizing cardio workout for you today. Let's try to move for the full 10 minutes. Boost our mood. Elevate our energy for sure. See if you can't move for the entire 10 minutes. Step jack to start. Loosen up the body. You go at your pace. I was inspired by a member of our community who just did a workout and said they really intensified it. Made it much more challenging for themselves. It's like, yeah, nice. I want to push myself a little bit today. You do the same, or you slow it down. Modify. As always, do what's best for you. I really want to get the heart rate up, the blood pumping. I'm excited to be in a new space. The challengers always presenting themselves. How exciting is that? Really exaggerate the twist. Get that back nice and warm. I'm excited not to be in a tiny hotel room. There it is. All right, shake that out. Come into a march. I'm going to move laterally also. Knee up as high as you can. Oh. Head up. Integrity. Move through your day with integrity. Head up high. Shoulders back. Yes, I am strong. Find extra bouts of movement today. Be as physically active as you possibly can. Okay. Come in. With pace, I want to reach it out. I want to really loosen up my back. Get that mobility. We're always going to work on every aspect of fitness in these short but impactful workouts. We build mobility and strength, balance. I was going quicker today because I really want to get the heart rate up. Let's get the legs involved. Don't forget to comment. Job done when you complete the workout. Let me know if you modify it. What works for you. I'll always take suggestions. If there's a certain workout that you want, let me know. And I will do my best to create it for you. Okay. And step, arms up. I love this as a mobility exercise for the upper back, but how quickly can I go to make it a cardio exercise? Head up, chin up, looking straight ahead. The anti-phone exercise, just a reminder. Let's put our phone down a couple extra times today. Find something else. Maybe do 30 seconds of this, some other activity to get you moving, inspire you to be more active, move more often. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's move into last one. I want to get a little lateral movement in. I'm going to try to be really light on my toes. If you don't have a lot of space, just this can work lovely. I got more space today, so I want to use it. Head up, light on the body. Trying to be really light. It might be a little loud. I think we're probably going to have to get a mat. That's all right. We're just figuring out new things. That doesn't have to be perfect. Don't let being good at something get in the way with the need to be perfect. We're all incomplete. All right, slowly, can you just add a bit of a squat? Building strength and endurance. Just a half squat for me today, because I want to keep moving, more cardio exercise, but build a little strength along the way. Yeah. A couple more. Brilliant. Knee up with a twist. I really want to get that knee up as high as you can. And we're going with pace. Move. Really, yeah. Mobility. Strength, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Couple more. Brilliant. Shake it out. Okay. Just keep moving on the toes. Sort of an active recovery. We're staying moving the whole time. Heart rate should be elevated. Feeling good, I hope. Let's build some strength in our arms. Just arms up while we keep the body going. And then we're going to start to step out. Arms are up. And we're going to bring it in. Find a flow. Yeah. Reach it back. Shoulder blades together. Try to be moving quickly with your feet. Tap it out. Yeah, come on. Feel the burn in the shoulders? I do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, reach it, yes. Couple more. And shake it out. Come on. So good. So good. Take out the arms. Just like a boxer. Just bounce. We got a big fight tonight. Come on. Be ready. Hands up. Okay. Feet together. Just quick. For a little rest, but we're going to sit down into chair. Arms up. Chair posture. Just hold it there for a moment. Just a moment. Yes. Watch the mind. 3, 2, 1. Up. Brilliant. Step out. Let's punch. Head up. Gonna feel some burn here. Oh, yeah, I'm getting warm. Feeling a bit of a sweat. Told you. We're gonna ramp it up today. Hope you're still with me. Come on. We're almost there. Short but sweet. Yeah, come on. Pace, pace, pace. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Shake it out. Keep moving though. Just move. Move more often. How often do I say it? Legs out. Nice distance. Looking towards the floor. Oh yeah. Swing. Just keep going. Can you get a little bit further each? Oh yeah, you can. And 3, 2, 1, and up. Brilliant. Whew. Yes. It's amazing what we can do in 10 minutes. 30 seconds. Bring all your presence, all your awareness, right here and now. It's good to be alive. Just watch the mind wanders off, just bring it back. Just feel the totality of your body. And well done. Feeling good? Don't forget, job done. Let me know how it went. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.